Hello. Welcome to Easy English.
With David and Alice.
Here, we speak English.
Slowly, clearly, and naturally.
Listen
Repeat,
and practice with us.
relax.
And let's start. Hello, my friend.
Hi everyone, welcome back.
My name is David.
And I'm Alice.
We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, very happy. Are you ready to practice English with us?
Today's topic is small talk in English.
Small talk. Simple conversations, like when you meet someone or sit in a cafe.
Yes, easy, natural, everyday English.
Perfect for beginners.
Before we start, please like the video.
And subscribe to the channel.
It really helps us and helps you learn more English.
Okay, let's begin our coffee chat.
So, Alice, we are in a coffee shop.
Yes, I love coffee shops.
Me too. Coffee, good music, nice people.
And good English practice.
Yes, always English practice.
Starting small talk. David, what is small talk?
Good question. Small talk is short, simple conversation.
Not deep, not serious.
Yes, just friendly talking.
Like, hello, how are you?
Exactly. Greeting someone. Let's start with greetings.
Okay.
I see you in a coffee shop. I say, hello.
And I say, hi.
Very simple. Let's repeat together. Hello.
Hi.
Next, very important question. How are you?
Yes, very common.
Repeat slowly. How are you?
How are you?
Simple answers.
Now, how do we answer?
You can say, I'm good,
Or, I'm fine.
or I'm okay.
Let's repeat.
I'm good.
I'm fine.
I'm okay.
Natural conversation.
Let's try a full conversation.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Asking back. Important. We say, and you?
Yes, always ask back.
Repeat. And you?
Both. And you.
Adding more feeling.
We can also say, I'm very good.
Or, I'm great.
Or, I'm a little tired.
Yes, very real.
Talking about the day. Now let's talk about the day.
Okay.
You can ask, how is your day?
Repeat slowly. How is your day?
How is your day?
Answering. I can say, my day is good.
Or, my day is busy.
Or, my day is okay.
Natural example. Let's practice. How is your day?
My day is good. I had coffee.
Coffee makes everything better.
Yes, let's talk about coffee.
Good idea. I can say, I like coffee.
Simple and clear. Repeat. I like coffee.
I like coffee.
Asking preference. You can ask, do you like coffee?
Repeat. Do you like coffee?
Do you like coffee?
Answer. Yes, I like coffee.
Or, no, I don't like coffee.
Fun moment. David, do you like coffee? Yes, I love coffee.
I knew it.
Talking about food.
We can also talk about food.
Yes, you can ask, what do you like to eat?
Repeat. What do you like to eat?
Simple answer. I like pizza.
I like rice.
I like salad.
Simple words. Easy English.
Asking the listener. Now your turn. What do you like to eat? Pause. Good. Say it in English. Talking about the weather.
Another small talk topic. The weather.
Yes, everyone talks about weather.
Question. You can say, how is the weather?
Repeat. How is the weather?
Answering. It is sunny.
It is cold.
It is hot.
It is rainy.
Funny moment. David, what is your favorite weather?
Sunny, but not too hot.
Same. Not too hot, not too cold.
Perfect weather. Talking about free time. Now, free time.
Yes, very useful.
Question. What do you do in your free time?
Repeat. What do you do in your free time?
Answers. I watch TV.
I read books.
I listen to music.
I sleep.
Sleeping is important. Asking the listener. Now you. What do you do in your free time? Pause. Talking about work.
Now work.
Yes. You can ask, what do you do?
Repeat. What do you do?
Simple answers. I am a student.
I am a teacher.
I work in an office.
Very simple.
Making it natural.
Let's do a full small talk conversation.
Yes. Ready? Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How is your day?
My day is busy.
Oh, busy day.
Yes, but I have coffee now.
That helps.
Repetition practice. Now, let's repeat key phrases.
Slowly. Listen and repeat.
Both. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
And you?
My day is good.
I like coffee.
What do you like to eat?
It is sunny.
What do you do?
Very good.
You are doing great.
Small talk is easy.
Yes, just short sentences.
Real life tip.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just speak slowly and clearly.
And smile.
Yes, smile helps a lot. Fun mistake moment. David, one time I said, I am coffee.
You are coffee?
I wanted to say, I want coffee.
That's okay. Mistakes are normal.
Yes, don't be afraid. Final practice. Let's do one more conversation.
Okay.
Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm great. And you?
I'm good. What do you like to drink?
I like coffee.
Me too.
Coffee friends.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We hope you enjoyed this coffee chat.
Practice every day, even small talk.
Small talk, big progress.
Before you go,
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite drink?
coffee? Tea? Juice? We want to know.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.